Health tip of the week.
As continued from last week, seek medical advice if snoring is associated with witnessed breathing pauses during sleep, excessive daytime sleepiness and fatigue, inability to concentrate, morning headaches, sore throat upon awakening, being restless during sleep, gasping or choking at night, high blood pressure, chest pain at night. Ecclesiastes 5:12 says, "The sleep of a laboring man is sweet, whether he eat little or much, but the abundance of the rich will not suffer him to sleep."
That was the health tip of the week, brought to you by the First Aid and Physical Wellness Ministry of CITAM Eldoret.